Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore exponential growth. This happens in functions where the growth factor, which we call b, is greater than 1. Let's begin by understanding what makes these functions increase so rapidly. So, what is an exponential function? It's a mathematical expression written as y equals a times b to the power of x. The key feature here is that the variable x is in the exponent. This is what gives exponential functions their unique power. Let's break down the formula. Y represents the final amount. A is the initial value, or what you start with. B is the growth factor, which is the number that gets multiplied over and over. And x is the exponent, which usually represents time or the number of growth periods. For growth to happen, the base, b, must be greater than 1. If b were 1, nothing would change. If it were less than 1, the value would decrease. But when b is more than 1, the value increases with each step, leading to exponential growth. Let's look at a simple example. Y equals 2 to the power of x when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 2. When x is 2, y becomes 4. As you can see, the output doubles with every single increase in x. When we plot our example on a graph, we see a distinct shape called a J-curve. The line starts off almost flat and then shoots upwards, getting steeper and steeper. This visual shows just how quickly exponential growth can accelerate. The initial value, sets our starting point. It's the value of y when x is 0. If you change the whole graph shifts up or down. A larger means you start with a bigger initial amount, making the entire curve higher. A common real-world example is compound interest. If you invest $100 with a 20% annual growth rate, your money grows exponentially. The formula is amount equals 100 times 1.2 to the power of t, where t is the number of years. You start earning money on the interest, which makes it grow faster and faster. Exponential growth graphs have a few key features. They are always increasing from left to right. The curve gets progressively steeper, showing accelerated growth. And the graph crosses the y-axis at the initial value, and never goes below it, assuming is positive. To summarize, exponential growth occurs when the base b in the formula y equals a times b to the x is greater than 1. This creates a J-shaped curve that grows faster over time. This concept is incredibly useful for understanding everything from finance to population dynamics.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.